Have a good day everyone. Today we will see group command in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. Go home tab, group panel, group, click name, add name, table, enter, select object, enter, okay, select group table, okay, exit. Now go group selection, turn on, okay, turn on group selection. Now select group table, okay, group table select, okay. Now go groups, group bounding box, turn on, click, okay, turn on, select group table, okay, group bounding box, turn on, okay. Go more and select group table, base point, okay. Now turn off group selection, turn off, more and enter, select object, base point, click here. Now turn on group selection, now select table set group, okay. Turn off group selection, more and enter, select object, okay. Turn on group selection, select group set, okay. Turn off group selection, copy, CO enter, select object, base point, click here, okay. Turn on group selection, select group, okay. Go group edit, select group table set, add object, add, okay, enter, group set, table set, okay. Again go group edit, select group set, remove object, remove, select, enter, select group set, okay. Now go groups, click group manager, table select, add, select object, enter, okay. Now group set, okay, group manager, select table, remove, select, enter, okay, okay. Now go ungroup, select group set, ungroup, move, okay, ungroup. Now undo, group set, groups, group manager, select table set, explode, okay. Again ungroup, enter, select, okay. Now ungroup, okay. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.